To get started with the Delve Qualitative Analysis tool, click on Get Started. You can either copy and paste your transcripts or drag and drop your files. You can navigate between transcripts by clicking between them on the left-hand side. You can give your project a name by clicking up here, typing in the name of your project, and pressing Enter. To add a code, click on this box, type in the name of your codes, and press Enter. To rearrange your codes into a hierarchy, just drag and drop them. You can highlight sections of your text and code it by just highlighting and clicking on the code. You can code anything from an entire paragraph, a single sentence, or a particular phrase. You can also code everything with multiple codes. When you navigate to a different transcript, you can continuously code and add more quotes to those codes, so you're collecting data from across your project. When you're ready to see all those quotes aggregated by code, just click on See Details. This will show you a page with the name of your code and all your quotes underneath. At the very top, you can see how many transcripts it appeared in, and then how many times it appeared in each transcript. This text box here is a great place for you to write down your code definition or your thoughts about the code. If you want to see more context behind a particular quote, just click on the link. It'll take you right to that spot in the transcript. That's a quick introduction to how to code using Delve, and check out our other videos to learn more.